It's important because it's the second edition of our Forum for Innovation, and it shows that it attracts a lot of interest from French and Serbian actors in the field of innovation, startups, university academics, researchers, of course, companies. So it's bringing together all these people. It helps also foster larger contact. We will organize through a new program called Mission France, contacts between Serbian and French startups and incubators also.
Francuska ima sjajnu nauku, sjajne naučnike, ali i razvijen inovacioni sistem. I mislim da je to jako dobro za Srbiju, da vidi kakva su iskustva drugih zemalja, a s druge strane na neki način da otvori našim mladim ljudima i budućim preduzetnicima, ali i sadašnjim preduzetnicima i vlasnicima određenih start-up kompanijama neka druga tržišta i neka druga okruženja. Da vide kako je tamo, kako je kad se izađe na globalno tržište. U suštini za start-up ekosistem i za inovacije ne mogu da postoje granice. Jednostavno morate da im otvorite čitav svet.
We have two countries, Serbia and France, that are very, I would say, similar and very much related. I think that on the two sides of Europe, we have a lot in common. We have in common a lot in our history, but I think we should have much more in our future, and especially in terms of research, study, science and sharing. And this type of events authorize people to meet and to share and prepare the next steps. So that's why it's very important, and I'm extremely happy to be here with you. Thank you. When you have this kind of exchange, it's very important because you learn about your own field, but also you learn about culture, about tolerance, about the life of each other, and then this is how you become friends.